Want to save money on key fob programming for your 2015-2019 Cadillac CTS? You can add or pair a new remote keyless entry fob yourself. This uses GM's Passkey 3 immobilizer system and supports up to 4 fobs. For 2018 and newer models, you might also have app-based pairing options through the My Cadillac app. First, ensure you have at least one working fob already programmed. Make sure your car is unlocked and not in motion for safety. To start, insert the working key into the ignition. Turn it to on, but don't start the car, then back to off. Repeat this 3 times within 10 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock automatically to confirm you're in programming mode. Next, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The vehicle should respond with a horn honk or light flash, indicating the fob is paired. If you have additional fobs, repeat the button pressing step for each one within 30 seconds of the first pairing. Finally, turn the ignition to on to exit programming mode. Test all fobs by locking and unlocking the car to ensure they work properly. This process synchronizes the fob's RFID chip with your car's computer. If the programming fails, first check the fob battery, which is a CR2032 type. Timing mismatches are a common issue, so try the process again. If problems persist, a body control module glitch may require a scan tool to diagnose. Remember, incorrect DIY attempts can potentially brick your BCM, so proceed with caution. Trends show a shift toward digital solutions. App-based pairing is increasingly preferred, and fobs are evolving into digital keys accessible via smartphones. While DIY methods are cost-effective, saving $7,550 compared to a dealer, automotive locksmiths recommend it only for tech-savvy users. If unsure, seek professional help to avoid complications and ensure your vehicle's security. Also, be cautious with cheap aftermarket fobs due to potential cybersecurity risks.